We're gonna make some breakfast to the girls now. It's actually pretty easy, the breakfast. I'm gonna do the wafflers, and you don't need much things for that. You need some flour. जिसे हम मैदा भी बोलते हैं, the flour. So 1. In my logic, it's 1, 2. It's like 4 waffler. हम 3 ले लेते हैं, ठीक है? Not much of this. Switch on the waffle machine. I'm gonna put 1 egg. You can put 2 eggs also. This is like vanilla sugar. This much. Might be a little bit more. Can you focus it, man? This is a crush of almonds and some other nuts. Really good. I'm gonna add some honey. $100 ml. I think we start with 100 ml, and if I need more I will do this. Now we're gonna beat it. We're gonna add some more milk in it. That's good. Now this is very hot now, so it's ready. We're gonna add a little bit this is a little bit butter. Then we're gonna fill in this up. Yep, and then we're gonna close it slowly. That's it. By the way, with the same paste you can also make very nice pancakes. Cats are also looking for food. You want food, huh? No. You also want food? No. Yeah. This is Simba and this is Malku. They want food. Almost ready. If you want more crispy, you can cook it a little bit more, but I will take it out now. Oh my god, this is nice. This is really nice. So this is ready. We have very less left, so I cannot but use it in this, but might be in this corner a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, now it's all covered. You're gonna close it slowly. Let's check it. So it's almost done. Cook it a little bit more if you need more crispy. See? So then we're gonna serve it to Maru, and she's gonna eat those waffles. She will eat it with silk, and we're gonna get her a plate so she can serve herself. Okay, good. By the way, this is the present I have got last night for my birthday present from Mabu. इसमें cactus किसने लगाया? Mama. And this is a cup I have got from Sana. And we already have a cactus in it. And where is that? This is I got it. This is Världens bästa pappa. I got it from Ushna. Yeah guys, that was a very quick vlog about waffle and morning routine. Now I'm ready. Now I'm ready with the tea. Also I will prepare a tea and then we will start a day. It's really nice